Okay, hello everybody. Today we're looking at Robbie Robertson's two solos from Forever Young from the Last Waltz. I'm going to play it through, then we'll take it apart note by note. See you soon. And welcome back. I have received many email requests for this number. Bear with me. With the help of the movie and the Bill Graham security footage, I've got pretty intense about this one. So we'll go through it quite laboriously as far as note choice and etc. Okay, the song's in D. The chords are D, F sharp minor, E minor, G and D. These are the chords you can hear Dylan and Robbie picking over at the beginning like this. Okay, that is before Robbie comes in with this. A lovely, tasteful slide from the D up to the E, into the G, finishing on the A. Okay, let's get into it. Solo number one. The solo, the scale you need is the D major pentatonic sliding scale. It goes like this. Okay, Robbie uses this a lot. He very rarely starts from the tonic note. He's always starting halfway through, as you'll see. Joe Walsh fans will be familiar with that scale as well. Okay, most of the solo, the first bits will be in there. Okay, here we go. Here's the first phrase. He's actually starting with a slide from the A to the B. It goes like this. Now, he makes prominent use of the tremolo here. I'm going to leave the tremolo out because my job here is to show you the notes, okay? But we will talk about the tremolo. Here we go, the first phrase. Okay, the tremolo comes in. Okay, on the F sharp. You'll need to practice that. Be light with your touch, but here we go one more time. all scale notes, pretty much walking through the scale. The next bit is this. Now let's bring in the tremolo. Okay, now I'm going to tell you today that he's hitting the first time twice, then 2 times again, and then 3 times. Let's slow it down. Ooh, control those bends. Let's put it together with the first bit. Okay, finishing with a push on the E. The next bit is this. Okay, let's take it apart slowly. Now he's going to hit this 4 times. Then 4 times as he releases it. Okay, let's try it. Okay, now I release that too far then. He then repeats it. Let's go through it. Okay, he does that 2 times. On the 3rd time, well, let's put it all together. Okay, the last time he just goes up to it and slides down like that. Let's go through it one more time slowly. Count the 4s. Then a slide into the B. 2 hits of the E from the D. Let's do it slowly. Again. And that bit finishes on this. Okay, let's go through it. That's a push on the A. That's 3 pushes on the A, then a release, then 2 hits of the pushed E. Now as you release the E, hit the D. The B, sorry. Okay, one more time. And then this, sliding into the B. Okay, that's just the B and the D. Okay, now the next bit is a sequence of 6, okay? And they go like this. Okay, now you've got your major D here. Yeah, okay, we're playing the 1st and the 3rd notes, by the way, the 3rd strings. So you've got your major, then you've got your E minor, F sharp, and I'll be adding the G on the end with the tail, okay? You got it? Lovely. The next bit is this. Okay, that's a push on the E, hitting the B over here and the D here. And then next bit is this. Okay, that's 3 hits of the D. Okay, with some A and E bends again. Okay, again, as you're releasing the E, hit the B. Before this. Okay. The first bit of that, you're in the D box up here. Now you're in this D box, which is box 5, major pentatonic. Before you hit the D chord down here, and you're hammering on the A to the B. Okay, now that is solo 1, out of the way. Let's get into solo 2. It starts with the same phrase in the sliding D major pentatonic scale. It goes like this. Okay, so far so exactly the same, ending up on the F sharp there. But then this happens. Okay, that's a walk up from the E to the F sharp to the A and the B. Then some double stops from the G and D strings on the 14th. Coming back to the single A note. Now Robbie plays those about 4 or 5 times before he walks back over to the D again like this. Okay, let's try that again slowly. Push the E, release it to the D. The next bit is this. Again, as with the first one, that's 3 hits of the D. With the E and 2 hits of the D. If you want, you can even push the D up to the E to get a nice effect like this. Then this. Okay, that's 4 pushes of the E, semi-releasing it each time. Don't release it fully. Okay, then after that you get this. Then. Okay, that's 4 pushes of the E. Then this. Semi-release. Sorry, let's go through it a bit more slowly. I'm going to push it 4 times, semi-release, and hit it 3 times. You got it? One more time. Okay, then he'll do it again, another 4 hits. Have a listen. Okay, the 3rd time he'll release it to the D, ending up on the B. Let's do this slowly because this is it's quite an emotive part of the solo, and he's not slogging away as seems to be the case. He's counting this, he's aware of the maths, he's a mathematical guitarist. Have a listen. Okay. Okay, a couple of hits of the D to the E. Then push the E again before releasing. Pushing the A. See that? Pushing on the A, then back, pushing on the E and back. And now, another set of 6. Back into that B box to finish the solo. But as for the 6, slide. I'll do it again slowly. G. Slide. Okay, now that is solo 2. To all the people who emailed me about that one, I'm hoping that's clear enough for you. If it isn't, let me know. Do make use of the cogwheel down below to slow it down and go over it. There's nothing scary note-wise here. He's in standard major pentatonic boxes here, but it's just his ability to control those bands and the emotion of his attack. Okay, compare what I've just showed you with the original, of course, slowing it down, listening for that classic Robertson attack. But I hope you like it. Let me know if you do, and see you next time.